Koala Care is the leading provider of safe and innovative commercial childcare products and is proud to be the most recognized brand of baby changing stations. Did you know we offer 12 models of baby changing stations and over 20 child seating products? Our #1 priority is the safety of your most important customers, and we offer a number of replacement parts to keep Koala products in good working order. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the shock on a KB101 and KB111 SSWM vertical surface mounted baby changing station. There are different shock kits required for each of these products. If you are replacing the shock on a KB101, please ensure that you have the 877- kit. If you are replacing the shock on a KB111 SSWM, please ensure that you have the 876- kit. The shock may need to be replaced if you notice your baby changing station does not close once the bed is lifted to about 40 degrees or if the door opens quicker than normal. Each shock kit contains instructions and a shock. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. You will also need a non-abrasive work surface. It is recommended that you wear gloves during this installation. To get started, open the unit. There should be 4 screws securing the baby changing station to the wall located on the left and right sides of the unit. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the lower 2 screws and washers and set aside. While supporting the baby changing station with one hand, remove the top 2 screws and washers. Use caution to ensure the baby changing station does not fall once the screws have been removed. Set aside remaining 2 screws and washers. Remove the baby changing station from the wall and place it on a non-abrasive work surface. On both ends of the gas shock, there is a C-clip that holds the shock onto the ball stud. Facing the back of the station, locate the top of the shock and carefully slide a flathead screwdriver in between the shock and the C-clip. Once the tension on the C-clip is removed, you'll be able to pull the gas shock off the ball stud. Facing the bottom of the baby changing station, locate the shock's lower C-clip. Carefully slide a flathead screwdriver in between the shock and the C-clip. Once the tension on the C-clip is removed, you'll be able to pull the gas shock off of the ball stud. Remove the old shock and dispose. Slide the thick end of the replacement shock up through the bottom of the baby changing station. Snap the replacement shock onto the lower ball stud. Twist the head back and forth to ensure that it is secure. Align the hole on the shock with the upper ball stud. Compress the shock so the hole is level with the ball stud and snap into place. Please note, compressing the shock may require some degree of force. Twist the head back and forth to ensure that it is secure. Stand the baby changing station on the work surface and open and close the door of the unit several times to ensure that the shock is functioning properly and the door opens smoothly. Using the 4 screws and washers that were set aside earlier, secure the baby changing station to the wall. Open and close the door several times after the unit has been mounted. Clean up tools, dispose of waste, and close the baby changing station.